Strong storms recently swept across the San Antonio region, bringing with them large hail, severe wind gusts, and crucial rainfall. On the evening of March 23, 2025, Kerrville was hit by intense weather, as residents reported golf ball-sized hail or larger, causing significant alarm. A severe thunderstorm warning was in effect for parts of Gonzales and Guadalupe counties until midnight, as storms raged across the area. This included Bastrop, Blanco, Burnett, Caldwell, Como, Gillespie, Guadalupe, Hayes, Kendall, Lee, Llano, Travis, and Williamson. As of 11:30 p.m., CPS Energy noted that fewer than 400 customers were affected by power outages, managing to keep the disruptions to a minimum during these turbulence-filled hours.
Sunroof's busted in.
Meanwhile, multiple counties remained under a severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. on March 24th, 2025.
Crazy. And try to help.
The National Weather Service, NWS, extended the severe thunderstorm watch to include Bandera, Kerr, and Bayard County. Heightening concerns as wind speeds were expected to reach between 50 and 60 miles per hour in the greater San Antonio area. Residents braced for the potential of significant hail and high winds, although flooding was not a major concern at the time, given that the thunderstorms were anticipated to pass quickly across the heavily trafficked Interstate 35 corridor.
With your cat.
The Hill Country experienced especially harsh conditions on that Sunday evening, with many individuals taking to KSAT Connect to share dramatic photos and videos of the hail barrage that struck their neighborhoods. Reports of heavy rainfall were widespread, maintaining a consistent theme of severity and urgency among the meteorological updates. KSAT meteorologists had anticipated the arrival of thunderstorms coinciding with a cold front that evening. Andrew Brown, who owns a construction company, was with his family at Home Depot preparing for the week when the hail really started coming down. They highlighted that this active weather pattern was expected to be indicative of a larger trend, as more moisture was set to arrive later in the week. Brown says he whipped out his phone, capturing the chaos, as the ice chunks rained down on cars and broke through the Home Depot skyline. Whatever the weather, it's been a roller coaster not only for San Antonio, but for most of the state of Texas, reported KSAT, reflecting on the turbulent weather changes recently experienced in the region. It was incredibly loud, Brown said. The video really doesn't do it justice. It was really hard to hear anybody talk, just breaking through the skylights, causing extensive damage.
Earlier in the day, another storm had passed through the Triad on Sunday morning and afternoon. In Greensboro, some residents reported hearing large chunks of ice hitting their roofs.
It would cool substantially, dropping nearly 20 degrees. Showers and thunderstorms were expected to arrive between 10 p.m. on March 23rd and 1 a.m. on March 24th. He's just grateful his loved ones are safe despite the extensive damage that now exists on the family car they've only had for 4 months. It could have been way worse had we been on the road, Brown said. You can tell there's dents pretty much all up and down it. It got mostly every portion even down to the lights. It just really did a number. The windshield is done for. When Monday, March 24th, arrived, forecasters predicted that conditions would remain warm, with some highs potentially climbing into the lower 90s. Kerrville Bible Church and Greater Hope Church still stand, but bear the scars from Mother Nature. The following days, specifically March 26th to March 28th, were forecasted to see rain chances making a comeback. Wednesday called for a 20 to 30% chance of rain. Most of Greater Hope Church's windows are all blown out while a trail of ice lingers around the property. Then just up Harper Road is the church where Scott Christensen serves as associate pastor. The hailstorm inflicted extensive damage on the roof and side of the main building at Kerrville Bible Church. While Thursday was highlighted with an 80% chance, offering what could be significant rainfall after a dry spell. The meteorologist reminded residents to keep jackets and umbrellas handy as they braced for what could be a chaotic week ahead. The unpredictability kept people on their toes, uncertain and waiting for the next weather challenge to arrive.
Back window destroyed. Car.
In summary, as storms continued to impact several counties, the people of San Antonio and surrounding areas remained alert and prepared for ongoing, unpredictable weather conditions. Christensen recalls wrapping up a meeting at the church on Sunday night, noticing waves of clouds overhead. It wasn't until he got home and checked social media when Christensen realized the magnitude of the unfolding weather event. Because of a down transmission line, alternate routes include LA 98 to LA 91 to LA 368.
Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. We appreciate your support and will continue to bring you the most impressive footage